So once you open up Canva, you're going to go to the top here and you're going to select the search bar, and afterwards you're going to type in mug. After typing in mug, you have to look for an icon which shows a mug. So we have two options here. We have the wraparound mug and then we have the normal mug. So I'm going to use the normal mug. And then we have different templates that we can choose from. But please keep in mind is that some designs need you to have a pro account, such as this one. It shows you that you need a pro account in order to use this template. But we want to create a blank one. So we're going to go to this option here where it says create blank. Now, what we're going to do now is we need to add in a specific design or a graphic. So I'm going to go to elements here and I'm going to search up animals. Then I'm going to select graphics. I'm going to use this one, for example. I'm going to drag it into this. And then you can also expand it if you want to. If you want to make it bigger, you're just going to go to the edge of the image, then go to the circles here, and you're going to click and then drag. And then I'm going to add in a few texts here. So I'm going to go to left here, scroll all the way down, then go to apps. After selecting apps, I'm going to type in Font Studio. And then I'm going to use this one, which is color. And then you can also change the text if you want. Then I'm going to go to the bottom here, then select add to design. And you drag it and then put it here. So over here, we have a panda, which says hi there. And then once you're done with your design, you're going to go to the top right corner, then select the share button. Then at the bottom here at the corner, select download. And then here you can choose the file type from PNG, JPEG, PDF standard, and so on. But I'm going to keep it as PNG for now. And if you want to add the design, so let's say a website or a store, then you are going to go to this option where it says transparent background and you're going to tick it. This is basically going to remove the background of the mug so that you can add it to your designs within your website or your online store. Then once you're done, you go to the bottom here and select download. And there you go.